you're having trouble understanding my English, please turn on the captions as I have included the subtitles. So, as I was reading this book called Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, in this book, David Goggins is simply explaining his life, what he has came through, and what he has become. His childhood was really fucked up. His father was really abusive, and his mother was helpless, and he was in a situation where he can't do nothing. And from that, he has become a Navy SEAL, a worldwide known person that we all know as David Goggins today. So in this book, as I was reading through the lessons, an interesting thought came into my mind. So it's really interesting. In his days of the SEAL training, there were many hard obstacles he has to go through. And in all of these obstacles that the life has thrown to him, he decided to go through it. There were two options in front of him. Basically, no and yes. Or basically to quit or move on. So he didn't choose to quit. If he chose to quit, then we would not know him. There wouldn't be a person that's so popular called David Goggins. And we would not know who he is. But he chose the other one. He chose to not listen to his brain. And that's how he has become what he has become today. So what I'm basically saying is that in your life, even though if your life is not like David Goggins, in your life too, there will be some areas where you need to make decisions. Not some, most of your life, you are thrown up to choose something, to choose some decisions. Even the small things, to look on, to scroll through social media, or to work on your project, or to watch something totally useless, or to do something productive. There are so many examples like this in your life. To go to the gym or to sit in home doing nothing. There's so many stuff that is going in our life like this, and we are choosing the comfort. We are just choosing what our brain says. That is why we are still here. That is why we are not making any progress. So if you just give a little bit more concentration and a little bit more courage and chose to say no to your brain, you will succeed. These small decisions, that are the ones that are going to change your life. In the span of a day, you will be having a lot of decisions to make. You can wake up and decide to stay there and scroll through your phone, or you can decide to get up and do the work what's most important to you. In these situations, our brain is constantly nagging us to do the one with more comfort, or to do the one that seems like more fun, that seems comfortable, and it doesn't require any hard work. That's the one your brain is always going to choose. And that is the one preventing you from being a successful man. So if you want to be successful, if you want to achieve your dream or whatever goal you have, you should manage to control your mind. You should have the courage to say no to your brain. You should have that ultimate control of your brain. That small decisions you have to make throughout your day, that is the one that is going to change your life. So I'm a beginner in this field of YouTube, and if you like my videos, or if you got any info from this video, or anything that is valuable, please like my video and subscribe my channel, because that is going to support me a lot. I'm planning on uploading videos consistently on YouTube, and I'm planning on becoming someone that has helped a lot of people on their journey of life. So if you love this video, please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.